I'm here.
How would you like to, stay here? Take care of your old Uncle Shug.
What about Linda?
Linda doesn't live here anymore. As soon as you move in...
You two like to see what I bought this morning?
No.
Well, you'd better look.
What kind of damn foolishness is that?
I'm married, that's what.
Married? Who to?
You.
Why, you're out of your mind. Take that fool thing off and go pack your things.
Not me, lover. But you can pack that thing out of here and keep it out. From now on, this is my house. And I don't want any tramps hanging around it.
Who you calling a tramp?
You, tramp. Get out.
Calm down, calm down. Take my car keys. I'll have her out of here by the time you get back tonight. Go on now.